So this is the Snack Surprise box for May 2021, which arrived, well, today, a bit late, well, May's box. So what have we got? I actually have no idea what it is. Oh! The US of A. Okay, so we have some Ruffles cheddar and sour cream crisps. They're really good. Been to USA a few times, so I'm familiar with most of their snacks. So, yep, good quality crisp. White cheddar popcorn by Smart Food. Again, these are really good. I can vouch for these. A bit screwed up, but yeah, they're really good. Nacho cheese Doritos. Feel like they're all crunched up, but yeah, again, these are good quality flavour. Doritos, can't really go wrong with them. Lemon hot Cheetos, of course, wouldn't be a USA box without Cheetos, would it? Yeah, these are good. What's that? Oh, okay. Flaming hot, they make your fingers very red. What's this? Please note, some items can be different to those stated in the leaflet due to lack of availability. All boxes are created with quality in mind, and we ensure each box represents the chosen country to the best of our ability. We hope you continue to enjoy our boxes. Okay, fine. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. These are nice. These actually remind me of Golden Grahams. It's a little like cereal pot where you can put your milk in. Got pineapple Fanta. I can't remember if I've tried a pineapple one actually, so that'd be cool. We'll get that in the fridge and try that chilled. We've got some goldfish. Goldfish are a really nice snack as well. Pepperidge Farmer, a good brand, and the cheddar ones. That's cool. I see some M&Ms. Fudge brownie M&Ms. And do you know what? I've been wanting to try these for ages, and now I get to. That's good. Can't go wrong with M&Ms. Savoury Ches Mix, traditional. So do you know what? I've always seen these in the gas stations or petrol stations, as we call it. Never actually tried these, so I've never picked them up. I've seen them in there, so yeah, that'd be nice to try something a bit different. Cheez-Its Original, these are nice little like salty cracker, cheesy salty cracker. Then we've got right here Butterfinger. These are really nice. It's like peanut butter. Yeah, crispy, crunchy peanut butter. Then we've got some Twizzlers. These, yeah, some Twizzlers. So they're just a bit like plastic, really, but they're all right. New flavour Kit Kat key lime pie. Not tried that flavour, so that'd be interesting to try that one. I can see some Nerds gummy clusters. Sweet and gummy inside, tangy and crunchy outside. Oh, okay, so they've got gummy sweets and probably in the Nerds, the traditional Nerds by the looks of it. Okay, that's a bit different. I've not had that. What have we got here? Fruit Gushers. I'm not sure I've had these before. I think they're just like fruit gums that have got like maybe a liquid filling. A lollipop, broken lollipop, Tootsie Roll Pop. This is the orange one. I think I've had this one before. These are nice. These are quite nice. And we've got Reese's Outrageous. Yes, these are nice. Can't go wrong with Reese's. Reese's Pieces. Anything they make. Peanut butter. If you like peanut butter, you like caramel, you're going to like Reese's. Nutter Butter. These are nice little sandwiches. Well, I say sandwiches, sorry. Sandwich cookies. Yeah, I like these. These are good. What have we got here? Hershey's, a Mrs. Freshley's Deluxe Hershey's Swiss Roll. Okay, I've never seen these, so that would be nice to try these. The old Hershey branding. I can see some Pop-Tarts. What have we got? Frosted S'mores Pop-Tarts. We've got a couple of those. I think I have had these flavour Pop-Tart before, and they are very nice, so that'd be nice to have those again. I've not had them probably about 2-3 years ago. And then what we've got, combos, pizzeria. Combos are really good. I think I've tried this one before, can't remember, but you can't go wrong with a combo. Jolly Rancher gummies. I've not had these sort of gummies, so these would be nice. They normally do the hard boiled sweets. So we've got the different flavours there. And I think that is it, you know. Oh no. Ah, the Three Musketeers bar. You're unstoppable. A little miniature bite-sized, fun-sized bar. I can't remember what this is now. It's like nugget, I think, caramel, and peanuts, I think. And that is your box. No, it isn't. We've got a Charleston Chew. Yep, a Charleston Chew. What one's this one? This one's the vanilla one. These are really good. Actually, it says try frozen on there, and I do recommend to try it frozen because it adds different texture to it. Rather than being really chewy, it becomes like a bit like snaps. It's quite nice. So I think that was the last item now. Yep, and that's it. So that actually was quite a good box. Well, most of the boxes, well, all the boxes have been good so far, but yeah, USA, I mean, like I said, I've been there a few times, so I've tried a lot of the snacks, but that concludes what's in this, or May's box for premium box of Snack Surprise. See you later.